Hi students, today we discuss phosphorus halides preparation, properties and structures. The phosphorus halides are classified into two types. They are phosphorus trihalide formula PX3, phosphorus pentahalide formula PX5. Now we discuss phosphorus trichloride. The phosphorus trichloride is prepared by the following methods. They are when dry chlorine gas is passed through over a heated white phosphorus form phosphorus trichloride. By the action of thionyl chloride with white phosphorus form phosphorus trichloride. Now discuss the properties of phosphorus trichloride. The phosphorus trichloride is a colorless oily liquid. When phosphorus trihalide on hydrolysis in the presence of moisture form orthophosphorus acid. For example, when PCl3 is reacted with 3 moles of water molecule form orthophosphorus acid and hydrochloric acid as a final product. When phosphorus trichloride is reacted with acetic acid form acetyl chloride and orthophosphorus acid as a final product. When phosphorus trichloride is reacted with ethyl alcohol form ethyl chloride and orthophosphorus acid as a final products. Now we discuss the structure of phosphorus trichloride. Shape. The phosphorus trichloride is a trigonal pyramidal shape in structure with hybridization sp3 and bond angle 100 degrees. In phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus is a central metal atom. Its ground state electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. That means here when we can take the valency orbit, the third orbit containing 2s electrons and 3 unpaired p electrons. In order to get octet configuration, this phosphorus is reacted with 3 moles of chlorine atoms. Here the chlorine may also containing 7 valency electrons. In order to get octet, this chlorine is combined with one of the p electron. Hence, these 3 chlorine atoms will take bond formation with 3 p electrons of the phosphorus atom and form sp3 hybridization. In phosphorus trichloride, here containing 3 bond pair of electrons and 1 lone pair of electrons. In phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus chlorine bond length is 204 picometer. Now we discuss phosphorus pentachloride. Preparation. When white phosphorus is reacted with excess of dry chlorine form phosphorus pentahalide. That means white phosphorus is reacted with 10 moles of chlorine form phosphorus pentachloride. When white phosphorus is reacted with thionyl chloride form phosphorus pentachloride. Properties. The phosphorus pentachloride is a yellowish white powder. When phosphorus pentachloride is reacted with moisture and hydrolysis as phosphorus oxychloride. The formed phosphorus oxychloride is again reacted with excess of water form phosphoric acid. That means phosphorus trichloride is reacted with moisture form phosphorus oxychloride formula POCl3 and 2 moles of hydrochloric acid formed. The formed phosphorus oxychloride is again reacted with 3 moles of water, nothing but excess of water, form orthophosphoric acid. That means H3PO4 and 3 moles of hydrochloric acid formed as a final products. Now when phosphorus pentachloride on strong heating undergo decomposition form phosphorus trichloride and chlorine dioxide gas as a final products. When phosphorus pentachloride is reacted with ethyl alcohol form ethyl chloride and phosphorus oxychloride and hydrochloric acid as a final products. When phosphorus pentachloride is reacted with acetic acid, form acetyl chloride and phosphorus oxychloride and hydrochloric acid as a final products. When phosphorus pentachloride is reacted with metals, form corresponding chlorides. For example, when silver is reacted with phosphorus pentachloride, form silver chloride and phosphorus trichloride as a final products. When tin is reacted with phosphorus pentachloride, form tin tetrachloride and phosphorus trichloride as a final products. Now we discuss the shape of phosphorus pentachloride. It is trigonal bipyramidal in shape with hybridization sp3d with bond angles 90 degrees 120 degrees. Here the ground state electronic configuration of phosphorus is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. When this phosphorus atom undergo excited state, the one of the s electron is shifted to 3d orbital. That means here when we observe the s, p, d orbitals containing 5 single valency electrons. Now these 5 single valency electrons are reacted with 5 different chlorine atoms form PCl5 structures in order to get both phosphorus and chlorine octet configuration. When we observe the structure here, the phosphorus is the central atom. This phosphorus is reacted with 5 different chlorine atoms undergo sp3d hybridization, form trigonal bipyramidal shape of structures with 5 bond pair of electrons. The bond angle is 90 degrees and 120 degrees. Here phosphorus chlorine bond length is 240 picometer. The phosphorus chlorine bond length here is 202 picometer. This is the structure of phosphorus pentachloride. Final conclusion about the structures. Phosphorus trichloride hybridization sp3 with 3 bond pairs of electrons and 1 lone pair of electron. Trigonal pyramidal shape with bond angle 100 degrees. Phosphorus pentachloride hybridization sp3d with 5 bond pairs of electrons, shape trigonal bipyramidal in shape with bond angles 90 degrees and 120 degrees respectively. Thank you for watching this video.